To convert these decimal numbers into fraction, you may use this place value. The first digit after the decimal point is the tenths, second digit, hundreds, third digit, thousands, and fourth digit, 10,000s, and so on. So, for example, we have 0.4 and it has only one digit after the decimal point. So, it means the place value of 4 is tenths. So, to make it a fraction, you will use this digit as your numerator, 4, over, what is the place value of 4? That's tenths. So, we will use 10 as our denominator. And that's it. Simplify. So we can simplify this by dividing both numerator and denominator by 2. So 4 divided by 2, that will be equal to 2. And 10 divided by 2 is 5. So 0.4 is equal to 2/5. Another one, 0.13. As you can see, there are 2 digits after the decimal point. So the place value of 3, the last digit, is hundreds. So we will use 13 as our numerator. And then, again, the place value is hundreds, so we will use 100 as our denominator. Then simplify. Okay, so since you cannot simplify this anymore, this will be your answer. Let's try another one. 0.242. It has 3 digits after the decimal point. So it means the place value of the last digit is thousands. So therefore, we will use this 242 as our numerator. And for the denominator, the place value is thousands, so we'll use 1,000. Then simplify. So we can simplify them by dividing both the numerator and the denominator by 2. So it will be 242 divided by 2, that's 121. And 1,000 divided by 2, that will be 500. So 0.242 is equal to 121 over 500. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching.